As the number of coronavirus cases continue to rise drastically in last 4 weeks, the containment strategy by the government has become highly questionable. The Congress has argued that the lockdown imposed by the centre had little impact on containing the spread of coronavirus but resulted in huge economic losses and a large number of deaths given its unplanned nature. The party asked the government as to explain the cost-benefit ratio of the lockdown. Congress has alleged that the Narendra Modi-led government has become synonymous with inefficiency, incompetence and insensitivity. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had claimed imposing the first lockdown that India will overcome the virus battle in 3 weeks.
देश में ये लॉकडाउन 21 दिन का होगा, 3 सप्ताह का होगा। और जब मैंने पिछली बार आपसे बात की थी, तब मैंने आपसे कहा था कि मैं आपसे कुछ सप्ताह मांगने के लिए आया। आने वाले 21 दिन हर नागरिक के लिए, हर परिवार के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है।
But now, after 8 weeks of lockdown, the government is still clueless about the whole chaos created by its unthoughtful handling of the pandemic. Congress spokesperson Abhishek Singhvi pointed out that reported coronavirus positive cases went up from 618 to 1 lakh plus between 25th March, when the nationwide lockdown was implemented, and May 18, when the relaxations came into force. He also pointed out that an expert from the Niti Aayog had predicted that no fresh case will emerge after May 16th and accused the government's COVID task force of data jugglery. Reeling out statistics, Singhvi said India's testing rates continue to be very low even as positive cases and deaths are mounting, and asked whether the government is running an autopilot. Arguing that the number of positive cases, deaths and testings are the 3 major parameters for gauging a country's response to the pandemic. He said the government has failed miserably on this. Congress says that government has no strategy for coming out of the lockdown. What has been the cost-benefit ratio of an unplanned lockdown and a clueless government on how and when to exit it? Let the nation judge, said the Congress leader. India's unemployment rate is at a record high of 27.1%. Out of 12.2 crore people who have lost jobs, 9.13 crore are small traders and laborers. Congress has claimed that 383 people have died due to the lockdown until May 10th. Indian economy has faced unprecedented losses due to the lockdown, and the 20 lakh crore stimulus package is just a play of numbers. Government tries to cover up its failure in management of the COVID-19 pandemic by the announcement of the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, while majority of Indians struggle for their survival today.